A legendary icon arrives, broken and forgotten. But beneath the rust and ruin lies a soul waiting to roar again. The ultimate rescue mission begins now. Decades of grease and grime are about to vanish, revealing the pure, raw power hidden beneath.
Steady now, right into position.
Perfection is not just painted, it is revealed. Protection meets absolute depth. This is the new classic.
These coilovers are going to handle perfectly. Heavy-duty control arms fit perfectly too.
To tame this classic beast, we need modern stopping power, massive rotors, and multi-piston calipers. Precision engineering meets muscle car heritage. To unleash this classic beast, we need modern exhaust flow, custom piping, and polished mufflers. Precision engineering meets muscle car heritage.